Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically adjust the eye directions on photos or videos using CapCut. So there is a new feature on CapCut called eye contact where you can adjust the eye directions on your photos so that the object on the photos or videos will be looking right at the camera. So here, let's just launch the CapCut app first, and let's say I want to edit this photos right here. Okay, so as you guys can see here in the photo, Zayn Malik is not looking at the camera, and I'm going to make him to look at the camera directly. And you can use this new feature on CapCut to do that. First, you can just click on the photo after you add it into the timeline, and then you can just swipe and you'll find this new feature, eye contact. So click on that. So eye contact is free, but I think you got some credits, limited credits where you can use this eye contact, but when it is running out, then you need to pay for it, or you need to join CapCut Pro to use this feature. So here, the eye contact will automatically detect and adjust the eye directions. So what you need to do to fix the eye direction, you can just enable it by clicking on this doodle until it turns to blue, just like this, and you'll see that the person or Zayn is now looking at the camera and the eye direction will be fixed. If you have more than one photos, you can tap on apply to all to make it apply to all of the photos. And you're done. You can just click on the check icon. Let's see the before. So this is the before. You can see he's not looking at the camera, and this is the after. The eye direction change. And let's try to use this for a video. I don't know if it's work or not on videos. Let's just try here and find videos. I'm going to just use the CapCut library here. Okay, let's say I'm going to use this videos right here. You can just click on the video and tap on add, and let's remove the photo first. And in here you can adjust, let's just delete the photo. Okay, I don't know if it will work or not, but let's try. You can click on the video in here on the timeline and tap on eye contact, and let's click on this doodle to turn it on and see if it works. You can click on the check icon. Let's play the video. I think the eye direction is changing. You can see this is the before and this is the after, but it's not really visible, so I think it works better on photos. But that was it. That's how you can use the eye contact feature on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.